light steps when you hold your pencil above the center. And then you can just adjust it when you are going to do the art question. One more thing, here on top, we are doing good for the rest. Kindly make them soft curved lines. It's kinda sharp, but kindly make them soft, and then you are done. We will connect them together softly. And then once you are done with that, we are going to need our eraser. And then we are going to erase. Basically, we are going to erase now the guidelines. Oh, we forgot the stem. We can also add a little bit of stem in here. Okay, let's just add a little bit of stem. Then another curved line. So basically, the first curved line is longer and then the other one is shorter.
How about now? This.
Oh, very good. Okay, that's it. Now let's do the shading. Did you already erase the line inside the stem, right?
Yeah?
It's not able to see it. Okay, that's good. So we will light and then another one. So basically, we are dividing it into three parts. So we are going to start having the darkest. And can I do one direction only? So we have here the darkest. And after this one, it's going to be a little. Line here on the bottom of the center.
That's what the line's for?
Yeah, that will be the darkest. So we are doing the gradation. This is what we call gradation. We are transitioning from the darkest to the lightest. Then after that, we will be doing a medium shading. It's going to be a little bit lighter than the darkest. Just take your time. I will just show you and how to do that one. Just take your time since we are going to apply the same thing for the sampling. From the darkest to the lightest. Oh, that's so nice. Can you bring it a little bit higher? Okay, that's actually good. Well done. Okay, so since you still have enough space there on top, we can just do the final output in there. So we will be doing that as well there on the opposite side. Waving the line. You can just even draw random lines in there as long as you can divide it into many. On the opposite side, you can also just draw a horizontal line. And then another curved line facing downwards here on the bottom. Connecting here on the other side, the sharp part on the other side. Okay, that's it. So now you can get your colored pencils. So half of this will be red and then the other half will be purple. And then you can just slowly combine them here on the center. Alright, I have 2 more parts left. Very good. I actually like it because the color is so attractive. And when you are done, kindly write the date here on, I think you have space on the bottom, but it's on the left side. So you can just use your numbers for the date for today. Oh, mine is actually still 2022. It's 2022. Take a photo. Are you ready?